Hello, I'm Jonathan Heastie, Portfolio Director at Reed Exhibitions and organiser of All Energy Conference and Exhibition 2021 and the co-located Decarbonise event. At both All Energy and Decarbonise, the health and safety of our colleagues, partners, exhibitors and visitors remains our number one priority. And I want to ensure you that we are continuously planning and diligently pursuing the very best solutions and approaches to combat and manage the effects of COVID-19 on these events. As the world's leading event organizer, with 500 global events in 30 countries, we stringently follow our own careful and fully updated health and safety strategy for successfully delivering events in a COVID-19 world. This international strategy upholds a 5-point enhanced health and safety plan and is continuously evolving and improving to keep pace with the pandemic. This includes deployment and testing on live events already running elsewhere in the world this year. It starts with both collaboration and exceptional planning with authorities, with venues, with eminent subject matter experts and many other event stakeholders to ensure we remain fully alert to the COVID-19 risks we face at any point in time. This, in turn, allows us to ramp up or down our response where local circumstances dictate. That response includes best-in-class show-level risk management, including COVID-specific measures to reduce both person-to-person and surface-to-person transmission within the show setting. The attention to detail ensures we adopt and then deploy the most appropriate safeguarding measures at all of our events, including at All Energy and Decarbonise. These measures include, but certainly are not limited to, show setting measures such as managing the density of attendees at any one time at the site, extending opening hours, staggering admissions, providing dedicated entrances and exits, and one-way systems. It includes hygiene measures, including enhanced cleaning, enhanced sanitation and disinfection, and of course, medical safeguarding measures, including surveillance and screening, and the use of PPE, including face masks. It's also about communication, including activities like this video, to help inform our stakeholders and audiences like you about our plans and efforts, building confidence in our ability to deliver safer settings, conditions, and safer situations for you to take advantage of. Here in the UK, we've worked tirelessly with our industry peers and with relevant authorities, venues, and key contractors to build real-life simulations and trade exhibition mock-ups aimed at testing our COVID-19 plans and safeguards. Together, we've created a safe working standard called All Secure for holding UK events in a COVID-impacted world. After successful trials in London last September, we and our colleagues in the UK event industry received approval from the Department for Culture, Media and Sport on the 19th of November last year, ratifying its use to host safe and controlled business events like All Energy and Decarbonise once a go live date has been issued. Together, this programme of enhanced measures, both our global best-in-class approach and this UK secure standard, will provide every All Energy and Decarbonise participant with the assurance and confidence that we truly have your health and safety as our number one priority. Now, aside from providing some confidence about our plans to safely run this year's events, we also understand how vital both All Energy and Decarbonise are to the lives and businesses in the energy industry we serve. The events truly are a catalyst where conversations start and where new opportunities for both growth and recovery begin. And with a dynamic and cleaner energy future ahead of us and COP26 taking place this very year in the same venue, All Energy and Decarbonise 2021 will undoubtedly provide you with the power to connect with and secure these new and exciting energy opportunities. For an exhibitor, these events bring your most active prospects and customers directly to you, creating a deeper interaction between you, them, and your solutions. As a visitor looking to find and buy a solution, well, they're a veritable Aladdin's cave of the best and leading services and technologies, all under one roof and all at one time. A true one-stop shop to find and learn about solutions and approaches to meet your needs from the very best in the business. I promise you that we will continue to go above and beyond to ensure we deliver events that are both safe, but also hugely valuable and energizing for all of our participants. It will have been 27 long months without an event of this stature by the time the doors open on All Energy and Decarbonise 2021, and of course the sizable commercial opportunities they provide those who participate. So I invite you to take advantage of these opportunities to fortify and grow your organisation by participating, by building lasting and meaningful business relationships at All Energy and Decarbonise 2021. My details and those of the All Energy and Decarbonise team are on the Contact Us page on our website, so please do reach out to us today and let's see how we can help you. Thank you also for your time today, and I really do look forward to welcoming you to All Energy and Decarbonise 2021 from the 18th to the 19th of August at the SEC Glasgow. Thank you.